1. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for OKX Wallet. 2. Click on Add to Chrome, then choose Add Extension. 3. Successfully installed OKX Wallet to your Chrome. 4. If you already have a wallet, you can choose Import Wallet. For this video, we will create a new wallet. 5. Create your password, then click on Confirm. 6. Click on Start Exploring. 7. Click on Backup Now. 8. Enter the password that you created earlier. 9. Reveal your seed phrase. Make sure to keep it in a safe place and never show it to anyone. 10. Verify your seed phrase by select each phrase in order correctly. 11. Successfully created your OKX wallet. 12. Go to Launchpad or staking.kommunitas.net. 13. Click on Connect Wallet, then choose OKX Wallet. 14. Successfully connect your wallet using OKX Wallet. Another feature from OKX Wallet, you can add COM token from the token list, so you don't have to add COM manually to your wallet. What tutorial should we do next? Let us know in the comment section.